How to make stickers on Android device. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can make stickers on Android device so that you could use them in chats. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to go to the Google Play Store and then you have to install the Sticker Maker application. So tap on the search icon at the bottom right and in the search bar, search for Sticker Maker. Tap on the first options on your search results, that is Sticker Maker Custom Stickers. So you have to install this application on your Android device. Once you install it, now you have to open up this Sticker Maker application that you have installed. Once you're here, tap on Add New Sticker at the bottom right corner, and that's gonna ask you two options, whether you want to add sticker, canvas, or use a photo. So if you have some stickers on your device gallery, so that you could use them as stickers, then tap and use a photo. Then you have to select all the pictures or images that you want to add. Once you have added your stickers, now you could also export to WhatsApp or the other application. If you tap on it and tap on three dot at the top right, there you have an option to export. Now you could export the app or the stickers to all of these applications here, and you could use them in the chats. So that's it. That's how you can create stickers on Android device, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.